Hi friends, it's your fave back with another wig video, and this unit is from Julia Hair. She is a 24-inch 13x4 lace front wig, and she is 150% density, and as you can see, she's a highlight curly wig. So let's get into it. So I am going to be installing this wig the same that I do on my other wigs, but I am doing something different with the baby hairs. They are going to be a little bit more dramatic than I usually do. As you can see, I am using the Got to Be Free spray instead of the actual gel for this install, just because I find that when it is nice, thin, flexible lace on a unit, that it melts more into my scalp when I use the free spray as opposed to the regular gel. And I don't really know why this is a thing, but I've definitely noticed that, so I've been trying to kind of switch over. Now here I was trying to dry the hairline, and I was trying to dry the hair a little bit more than what it was because it was damp. But I do recommend, if you are going to dry this hair, that you should use a diffuser so it doesn't get super frizzy like how it did for me. But that was only because I used this blow dryer and I didn't use any product in her. But at the end of the video, I'll show you how I got the curls to pop again. Once you are all dry, not really necessarily the hair, but the hairline, you want to remove the elastic band. And it's time to do the dramatic baby hairs. This wig and this color is giving me very much Beyonce. I'm actually loving the color, especially for the summertime with this texture. Bomb. Here you want to start off by parting out some of the front pieces. And if you look, you can see my wig cap, but I do fix that in the end. So just keep watching and you'll see how I finesse it. You then want to cut the baby hairs with a razor comb. This gives it a lot more natural look, because with scissors, it's a super blunt cut. So I just feel like it really makes it very obvious that they aren't real. Even though these are obviously not real, but you get what I'm saying. It looks a lot better to me. You want to be sure to not use too much product on your baby hairs, because over time it will get real crusty if you use too much gel. Promise me, trust me, I know. So here, as you can see, we're going to start to lay the top part of our wig so she's a little flatter. To define the curls, I went back in with a little spray bottle and I'm going to spray that all over the hair. I'm not going to get it too wet so I don't walk around with wet hair, but I'm going to get it damp and, you know, use my brush to make the curls pop a little bit more. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with some setting foam, and this is just going to keep everything intact. Super cute, and it still gives you a wet look once your hair is completely dry. Once you're done with that step, you are all done. So this is how the hair looked about 90% dry. She has a lot of volume and is gorgeous. So if you did want to pick up this wig, everything on her is in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one.